2016 Grand Design Reflection for sale in Epping, North Dakota 58843. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Grand Design Reflection. This luxury travel trailer is 36.58 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 11 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs, 1 awning, as well as leveling jacks. This impressive travel trailer has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2016 Grand Design Reflection travel trailer is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave double door refrigerator /freezer, double sinking kitchen island, dinette with chair seating, 2 televisions, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, satellite dish ready, cable ready, love seat and chairs, full bathroom, washer/dryer hookups, 2 bedrooms, dresser and mirrors, outside storage, furnace, 2 air conditioning units, LED light system, brand new roof, plus much more. This 2016 Grand Design Reflection travel trailer is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Grand Design Reflection can be yours.